Hi, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today we continue the 3D modeling tutorial series where we only use one button, left click, and you will be making an amplifier for those speakers you made in the previous tutorial. So let's get started. So here we have Blender, and we're going to remove the other objects we don't need. But instead of deleting, we can just hide them using the little eye over here. Hide the light, hide the camera, and now we have a nice cube. Now let's get modeling. Okay, so now my object is hidden inside the other object, and if I unselect it, it's pretty hard to reach. So you can use the inspector over here, or what's it called? It's called the outliner. I call it an inspector. You can select it from here. I just want to show it like this. There we go. Duplicate those. I'm going to fix this. A bit too far. All right, now let's have a big knob. And let's rotate it. If you ever want a precise orientation, you see the number on the right that keeps moving over here? So you can change it to the exact 90 degree. Let's move it. Too big. Oh, let's make the shaft first. Right. Let's duplicate. And let's make it bigger. Starting to look like an amplifier. And most amplifier, if it's high-end audio, will have a power conditioner or just a power supply unit. Let's do that. Oops. This, duplicate. Sounds good. Let's bring this up a little bit higher. There we go. And realign the view. Align the view, center, frame everything. There we go. It's starting to look like an amplifier. And let's make it super fancy. Let's have it using, what is it called again? Tube amplifier. Yeah, let's make some fancy tubes. right. Now to make the tube and have it perfect, we're not going to change any orientation or move it except along the Z axis. And you will see why. It's going to be perfect size. Every of these items uses the same diameter and width. So here we go. Let's make this a bit longer. It's going to look a bit weird now, but you're going to see. Yeah, that's fine. Now you see it's perfectly aligning. Great. Now we can work with this. Higher, smaller. Oops. This looks like a tube. Oh, less high. There we go. And now we duplicate. One. A bit like this. Then we duplicate again. Here we have it. Oh, let's make some on and off buttons here. Little cubes will do. Scale this. Let's go back here. And duplicate. And let's add a little bit of depth in the back. Just a little something. And there we have it. You now have a high-end amplifier and power supply for the speakers. Now, of course, save your file. And that's it. You are ready for the next tutorial. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment. And as always, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.